Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here at Bricks and Clicks with the girls.
I'm Ella. And I'm Riley.
There they are. So, I do online reselling of retail merchandise. I've been doing it now full time for 3 years, left my company in 2016, and now I get to spend more time with the family and do fun stuff. So I get consistent merchandise in all the time. They thought it would be fun to do some mysterious blind surprise packs and maybe educate me as we go along, because I don't know what this stuff is. All I do is sell it and flip it, right?
Yes.
So I have no freaking idea. So on some of the pallets I just recently got in, I pulled some of it and see what they are, because I have no idea. So make sure, because we give a lot of helpful selling techniques, and you get to check out all the unboxings and unpackings we do at the warehouse. And now these guys want to start shooting some surprise videos. What do they got to do? What is it called? Subscribe?
Click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up, guys.
What
There it
was
was.
that? I don't even know what that was.
Yeah.
Like us, subscribe, follow us. If you want to leave a negative comment.
And if you want to do Instagram, then you can
What's Instagram?
follow our videos.
We don't have
I
an
don't even do
Instagram.
Instagram. Like, this is, I just want to unbox. You guys made me do this. I don't even, like, this is crazy. So we'll do this for about 20 minutes. See how much stuff we get through. So I put a tote underneath this table.
Yes.
These guys have no idea what's in it. They're just gonna randomly pull stuff out. I don't even know. I mean, it's just all sorts of crazy stuff in it, right?
Yeah.
So let's see
Hi.
who's going first. Oh, we gotta decide who goes first.
Me.
No, I gotta.
Rock, paper, scissors, two.
Rock, paper, scissors. On the count of three.
Rock, paper, scissors, two.
Oh! Ella goes first. Ella,
Oh,
you're up. Grab something. Hit it. Completely random. What is it gonna be? Come on, Ella. Poppers.
No!
Like, what is this stuff?
So you pop them, and there's animals in there.
Well, you have like a 20% chance that you could get a tiny little toy.
Where'd you get this statistic
and
from?
a 20%
see
chance that
this.
you could get a tiny toy.
So, like, what is
slime.
this?
I mean slime.
Just pop it. 60 pets to collect. Pop it, pets, 6 bubbles.
So sometimes there'll be stuff inside, and sometimes there'll just be gooey slime.
This is so weird. Alright, do I need to open this for
Yeah.
you?
Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. Open it
And
for
like
me.
when you pop it, it makes this really loud noise.
Alright, so it's random.
That one's a fake. Oh my god!
What's in it?
It's slime.
I told you, there's a 20% chance
Yeah,
that it
this
could
is
be
just
slime.
slime.
Now wait, you guys got me all confused. So there's only slime in this?
Well, sometimes
I
you
got
can get-
something.
See, like sometimes.
This is a wiener.
Oh,
Wiener.
Ella loves wiener dogs. Yeah.
Is it a wiener dog?
Yeah, wiener.
Look at this stupid thing. Look at this thing.
It
What is
has
this?
a little
This is
shell.
what you guys are buying out there right now in the world? Like, what? This is crazy stuff. And it's all...
And you have like a 50% chance that this would be something would be inside of this. Sometimes
You just said it
it's
was 20% chance.
Well, now like this, like these, sometimes they'll have a really rare thing inside of them, but sometimes they'll just trick you
I
and
don't
give
know.
you nothing.
This is some weird stuff. Look at this stuff coming. Like, what is this?
It's slime. I've tried mixing them together, and it makes it like really.
I don't know. Can your sister pop 2 of them?
Yeah.
Okay, pop them. Ugh. It is so loud. There's nothing in it.
Riley, if you don't get none.
Gooey, ooey,
All right.
slimy, slime.
So,
Oh my God.
she
I
says
got one, I got
50%
one.
chance. There was 6 of them. And guess what? There's only 2.
50%,
So there
yeah.
should be 3. So that is not accurate, what she
No,
just
you
said.
have, they say you have a little bit of a chance.
But now we
Didn't-
were at 20%, if you heard, right? And then 50, and now a little bit of a
No,
chance.
50 was this. Sometimes you can get a
Riley.
rare item in it.
Do you want one?
No.
This is some weird stuff.
Okay, well, it's my turn.
All right.
Look what I got.
Alright,
I got
so let's
another
push
playground.
this stuff out of my way.
Because it's gross.
Because all I see is
This
just my
one.
Oh, there's one left.
Oh my
Let me, did I get to pop it? Come on, I didn't get to pop any.
Okay.
Okay, Dad, you
All
can
right.
pop one.
Alright. So all I see is my profits going down. Profits going down. What do I gotta do? Just hit it?
Just
Yeah, really hard.
harder.
It's already popped.
Oh.
Oh.
Look at this. There's nothing in it.
I told you, you have a 50%
No.
You
How
can
many
do-
stuff did you get?
I got 2.
2. Let's show these guys these 2 weird things. Like, what is this stuff? What's
It's
this?
a dash hound. That's a dash hound. And
How is that a dash hound?
It's a wiener.
And this looks like some
It's
kind
weird.
of.
All right.
Oh, this is a baby penguin.
It's some weird stuff.
It's
All
my
right.
turn.
Riley's turn. Pull from the tote. What's it gonna be?
What's it gonna be? No peeking.
No peeking. Riley always tries to cheat.
I'm
Yeah.
not cheating.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure like us. What is it? Subscribe, follow,
You're getting it wrong.
send us money.
Oh!
Come on, you're filling around. Another one of
But
these
this one
poppers.
is like the boys kind, I think, because yeah, this is like the boys kind, because it's green.
If you
Yeah,
just
see?
feel around,
It's
you might
green.
feel something.
All right, let's open this poppers. Let's see statistically if she
Okay.
gets.
A
Ella,
gross thing.
you get. Oh, see, like in this time, last time it was nothing, but this time it had a mystery one. So I'm gonna take.
The only mystery to me is why I'm sitting here.
Can I have 3 also?
Here, Ella, you can open 2.
That's
Dad.
I can just look and see.
open one.
That's just gel.
See, okay, so this one's just ooey gooey slime.
I'm more intrigued by the slime.
Oh,
Look at this. Look at this slime.
I got something, but it's like stuck in there.
What is this?
Look, I got something.
Ella.
Oh my god.
Achoo! Ew, Ella, ew.
Look, I got something. Look at that
What
guy.
is it? Show them guys.
Look, it's like a little weird-looking monster dude. So it
Yeah.
feels so weird.
It's fun to pop, I'm not gonna lie, but
It drives the heck out of Mom.
this is kind of
Mom hates them.
weird stuff.
Mommy doesn't like them.
What do you guys do with this stuff?
I just throw it away. I don't like the sign.
I mix
Ella,
it together.
Yeah, Ella likes to play with it. When I pop them, it drives Mom crazy. She jumps. Oh my gosh, it has
Hey.
a tiny butt cheek.
Hey, should I go?
It's a tiny butt
Should I
cheek.
go in there and tell your mom? Hey, I think I got. You got a tissue? You guys got some tissue?
No, look, Daddy, look.
No, my goodness. All right. Get this crap out of the way.
Booty.
This stuff. I should have brought a trash can in here because this is a lot of garbage.
Yeah,
All right.
should've.
So
My
out
turn.
of 12 packs,
Ew.
they got 3 figures. That just seems. I don't even know.
Holla,
All right.
Drugs.
Pick another one.
Don't
Grab
pick another
something.
pop-up.
Yeah, get something. Give me something. Just random.
No!
She got your. What is this?
No!
Your sister. Maybe you should let your sister do it.
No, Ella.
She really
next
wanted
round,
it. She plays Fortnite.
Ella. Yeah, I do.
Maybe
Ella.
let her do this one.
Ella, just.
And the next one you get.
I'll reach for the cat. That
Nah, there's no reaching. Let's go. Open it.
Fine.
What is it? Tell these guys.
It's a Fortnite treasure box.
I already showed them.
They already saw it?
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
Fortnite treasure box.
All right,
You can get 'em-
Fortnite
it gives
treasure
you
box.
loot so you can.
Is there anything
Give me the
else?
loot. Give me the loot. Get this out of the way. What's in this?
Nothing.
How come it doesn't make
so
a
we
noise?
got like a health pack. It looks like a ton of guns. I don't. No.
No.
So you guys come up with this idea to shoot this, and here comes a dog.
Shoot. Shoot.
No.
Riley's gonna get him out.
So we got a
Sorry for the interruption. I just.
backpack.
Wait, I didn't see that.
Looks like a med kit maybe. We got like a tactic gun, I think it's called. A quad shooter.
Look, your little guy could hold this. There it is.
Pew, pew.
Wait, is that a sniper? I
Okay.
think this is a
My
All
sniper.
right, put your treasures in here. Did you show all them guys can see it, right?
Oh no.
All right, so it's Ella's turn now.
Ouch! She stepped on my foot.
Well, come on, we're supposed to be setting down. All right, you show them.
Oh, yeah.
Now I'm gonna be picking.
Okay.